Hi, that's a thing called Old Molly Hare, and I was playing it in clawhammer style. That's what I'd like to show you today. It's just a different way of accompanying yourself. Clawhammer started out in the Appalachians, probably not on cigar box guitar, mostly on banjo, because people would work out in the fields all day and their hands would be all gibbled up and they couldn't really come home and, do a lot of stuff with their fingers. So they developed this way of playing, hitting their instrument. That's where the word hammer comes from. It's a very simple rhythm. You might have heard it called the bum-diddy rhythm. And it's a 1, 2, and. So there's an and in between the 1 and the 2, but it's silent. So it's 1, 2, and. 1, 2, and. I'm using the nail on my middle finger. A lot of people use the nail on their first finger. I have arthritis in my first finger, so I can't use my first finger. So I use my second finger. I'm tuned to G today. G, D, G. Open G. So what you want to do is get a rhythm going. And you do that by hitting the melody string, in this case the high string, and then strumming. And as you strum, your thumb will catch the low string. So it sounds a little different than banjo, because a banjo has a high string here. You could actually swap this out with a high string if you really love this style, because your melody is usually going to be on the first and second strings. Like that. It also works out with the words clawhammer too. Clawhammer, clawhammer. You want to get good at that. If you're really struggling with that, just to get started, you can do what's called up finger. And that's the first finger here. You pick the melody string, and then strum, and your thumb catches. It's about as fast as you can go and sound good with that style, though. It's a little limited. The other style, using the back of your finger, it starts to become more and more percussive. And that, as a matter of fact, you can get so percussive that you can include the sound of your box in there if you want. I'm going to try to avoid that today, though, for clarity. So the melody we're playing is very, very simple. It's 7, and then the bum-diddy strum, then 9, and 5, and 7, and 4, and then a run. And for the run, we're going to just down pick with our back of our middle finger. People who get good at this really like to play things fast and get everything really, really bouncing, but I think it sounds great slow. So that's the verse line. You play it twice. This is an old-fashioned song, so it's 2 parts, and you play both parts twice, and repeat. So the next part of the song is the chorus. It starts off on the 4th fret, 5th fret, 4th, 2nd, 4th again, then the run. So as you can see, it's actually really a pretty basic, pretty simple song. But when you put it all together, that being the verse, it takes what's a very, very simple song and gives it a really cool rhythmic feel that carries on throughout it. I hope you enjoy that. Have a great day. Bye.